My name is AnythinGoes. I have Awkward Victoria here with me. It's been a while. How you guys doing? Are you holding up? You doing okay? Yeah, it's been a bit, so I haven't done much on this channel. I do have a second channel, a gaming channel. I guess I can leave that link in the description, as well as her information, I guess. Today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on a new project. I'm kind of focusing this channel a little bit on building and projects, mainly automotive, but not restricted to it, so I guess anything goes. This series is going to be about... Ta-da! Scooter. So that scooter is a 1985 Honda Elite 150. It is actually Victoria's scooter. It's been in her family for quite a while. But I think officially it's yours, right?
It's officially mine.
I've actually already been buying parts for it in preparation for this video. So right now what we can do is show you guys kind of the parts that we got, what the plans for the scooter are, but also we need to clean up this area because it is not really ready for it to be an area we can work in. It's very clustered, very dirty. It needs to be swept, it needs to be rearranged, tidied.
It's gross.
Yeah, anything to add besides that?
Area is very disorganized. It is not an area of which is work ready, so I think getting it prepared to start working on this beautiful bad boy would be great.
Without further ado, I guess that's what we're going to be doing for today's video, and if we have time, like I said, we'll show you the parts that we do have and maybe start working on the scooter, but most likely that'll be next video. So as you guys saw by the time lapses and the finished product, we more or less cleaned up this space here. It's ready for us to be able to work and move around the scooter. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unbox the stuff that we got and show you guys, you know, and look for ourselves if everything's going to work and stuff.
There is not a lot of parts out there that we can find on eBay or any other places that we looked around, so I will admit it has been a while and very much a journey to find all these pieces.
And we're still missing a few, but go ahead and start the project and then just keep looking online, and whatever happens, happens, I suppose. I mean, eventually we'll find them. We gotta find them.
We gotta find them. I mean, I think as of right now, we're just missing one taillight, one blinker.
Rear blinker, front blinker, and I think that's the only things online, and well, miscellaneous screws and stuff like that. And a couple of reflectors, but then local stuff, you know, batteries and tires and stuff, that'll be easier to find. So yeah, as you guys can see, we have all the old parts spread out here. This is the muffler, as you guys can see. Big old hole in the muffler.
We got quite a few people asking and coming over when we started it if it was a motorcycle or not, and they thought it was a pretty beefy motorcycle, and then they came across the yard to find out it was a little Honda scooter.
Here you got the footrests for the passenger. The right one was in worse condition than the left. The left one's complete, it's just kind of rusted over. So we went ahead and got a new one anyway, but I guess it is usable if we wanted to reuse it. But the right one just doesn't have any of it. It's just the bare bones. It doesn't have the cover or the rubber. This little rubber right here doesn't have any of that. This is the panel that we already had. It's not too bad other than the fact that it's missing the little brace for the blinker. Other than that, it's not too bad, but we decided to go ahead and replace it because otherwise we'd have to try to fix that, and I don't feel comfortable with that.
And then as for this one, what we're salvaging is that we're gonna salvage this piece right here, the reflector, because believe it or not, those reflectors are actually pretty pricey. We found out 5 of them is worth over $80.
These are the mirrors, the side mirrors, you know, pretty self-explanatory. One's just completely missing the mirror and the other one was pretty rackety. The plastic feels like it's gonna snap. It's just old. So we went ahead and got replacements for those too. This is the wind guard, again, cracked right through the middle. Here is the front of the scooter. I'm not sure what it was called, handlebar cover, I guess. The front cover for the handlebar, again, the right side completely gone. Left side, that's the blinker that we're still missing actually. But, you know, we're looking for it. But yeah, we got a replacement for this. This is the rear tire guard. Nothing much to say. It's pretty much okay except for this little part back here. It's melted. I guess it rubbed against the tire at some point and melted the back. So we got a replacement. It wasn't too bad. Depending on the price, it would have, you know, decided if we were gonna get a replacement or not, and it was pretty accessible, so we got it. And last but not least, we got these things, which I guess they're okay. They're just wind guards that go on the side of the scooter.
But this one, I don't know if you can see that, is actually cracked right down here. And it actually came, I think, with a set, right? When we got the right side, the new right side.
Originally, what we were getting is just the wind guard, but we found a set of that wind guard and these side wind guards. Okay. And it was a pretty decent price, so we decided to go ahead and replace them. Yeah. I forgot this actually is cracked. This one's fine. So, first thing that we're gonna have to do on this scooter is get the tires replaced. And we're gonna do that right now since all the panels and the muffler is off and everything. Might as well get it done. But we're trying to squeeze the scooter out of the shed and take it to our local scooter parts store so they can do it, because I have no idea how to take the tire off of this thing. So that's what we're gonna do.
I can tell there's some cracking going on right here.
So we dropped the scooter off at the tire shop. They said that they're not gonna have it ready till tomorrow because we did get there a little late. So I think that's where we're gonna call it for this video.
We're really excited to get the tires replaced because, as you saw, I did put a little bit of a few footage. The front tire does have some dry rot to it, and then hopefully we'll get it back by tomorrow, and then we can start the process of the other parts needing to be replaced as well.
And the guy said that the shape of the tires, or the size of the tires, I guess I should say, wasn't exactly matching. So they're supposed to be two similar tires, and the front one was a bit different. So he's going to replace that with 2 equal tires, and that'll be good. Like I said, that's going to be where I'm going to leave the video. If you liked it, drop a like. Consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll leave her information in the description below, like I said in the beginning of the video.
Woo!
And I'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.